Hello and welcome. I'm Rose, and I'm really glad you're here. This channel is a space for women who have been through a lot. Women who've lived through trauma, abuse, divorce, or any other major life transitions, and you now find yourself in the space after the crisis. When the dust has settled, when the outside supports are gone, and you're left asking, who am I now, and how do I move forward from here? My own life has been shaped by these experiences. I rebuilt my life after long-term physical, emotional, spiritual, and financial abuse. I know firsthand that surviving a crisis is only the beginning. Healing is not about rushing, fixing, or rehashing the past. It's about reconnecting with yourself, listening to your body, and understanding what matters to you, and learning how to live from that place again. Here we talk about clarity, self-discovery, courage, self-trust, stability, self-love, and finding your footing after everything has changed. If you're looking for a steady, respectful, and grounded place to explore what healing can look like for you, you're in the right place. Take your time. Watch what feels right. And know that you don't have to navigate this season alone. Welcome